Iran managed to surpass world powers in air defense tech. The chief commander of Iran's Islamic Revolution Guards Corps, IRGC, has lauded the country's military capabilities and high-precision weaponry, saying that the Islamic Republic has surpassed the world's major powers in the field of air defense technology. Speaking at a ceremony on Tuesday, Major General Hossein Salami hailed Iran's significant progress in modern military technologies and the country's self-sufficiency in manufacturing sophisticated military equipment, despite the sanctions in place against the country. We rank first in many technologies. Even in the field of air defense, we have outpaced the top powers of the world to the extent that some superpowers are purchasing our weapons and offering joint cooperation, Salami said. Today, building cutting-edge systems is as easy for us as manufacturing bicycles, the IRGC chief said. Today, the accuracy of our weapons for fixed and mobile targets is 100%, and our drones can target any point they want using artificial intelligence. The logic of the Islamic Revolution is the use of power to establish justice, he said. Salami said that the US cannot implement any of its conspiracies in the region, and its plots will definitely fail. The enemy has so far taken every possible action against us. If we were not strong, they would attack, but because we have become strong, they avoid facing us, and this strength of ours is exponentially increasing on a daily basis, he said. Salami added, today's war is a war of convictions, beliefs and values, and if we are weak, we will either be destroyed or must surrender, but we have become an important part of the world's power with no acquiescence to the tyrannical order. Iran is today not relying on support from foreigners, said the commander, adding that the country is seeking a removal of the sanctions, not because it needs them to be lifted, but because it sees the restrictions as cruel. The problems caused by the sanctions constitute less than 10% of the issues facing the country. If we act correctly, we possess much talent, capacity, and facilities that enable us to overcome all the problems, Salami added. In addition, Major General Hossein Salami made the remarks on Thursday during a visit to an exhibition of Iran's defense industry achievements in electronic warfare, air defense, drones and cruise missiles. He said Iran's defense industry has managed to make great progress in confirmation with two realities, global technological advancements and efforts to render the enemies powerless in the defense sector. It was imperative for Iran to promote its military equipment and defense systems and reduce the gap with advanced countries in the face of growing capabilities and the fast pace of technological gains on the global stage, the IRGC commander added. The armed forces have fortunately achieved determining successes in various defense fields, including electronics as an advanced and high-level field of technology, Salami said. He noted that Iran has developed a variety of products in different fields of defense by relying on its own youths despite all the restrictions, sanctions and acts of sabotage by foreign powers against the country. Salami added that some top powers in the world have purchased military and defense equipment from Iran and are now using them. Iranian military experts and technicians have in recent years made substantial headway in manufacturing a broad range of indigenous equipment, making the armed forces self-sufficient in the arms sphere.